Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Veronica Tati, NIM 1904411441 dari kelas 5 gabungan Saterpel. Baiklah, saya akan membaca. Nomor 1, what is that Arlek telling about? Answers. Arlek telling about English for informat students INET analysis. Kedua, what is the aim of that research? Answer. Aim of that research is based on the concentrations above. This study aims at investigating that informat students' needs of English, not only based on that perceptions of that students, but also perceptions of that their Ketiga, how many participants in that race? Answer. I understood, and 50 of the first-year students were invited to participate, but merely 3 students were willing to take part. Furthermore, to her the academic staff expressed 20 participate in this study, covering 5 tiers teaching English and 15 tiers teaching related to informatics and engineering. 4. What allows us to gather that data from the participants? Answers. To gather data from that process and adapted question. Brianna 2019. What said that questionnaire contained closed-ended questions and one open-ended question. That questionnaire to the practice and they made in Google Form to ask the that spread of that questionnaire to that press and to ask the press on fill in that analysis of that data gathered was done by using Microsoft Excel. Kelima, what are that main results of that research? Answer. In general, that data described in that section show several important features of this risk resembling listening skill, which are not be that students are those that can help the students to access learning sources, take activities resembling reading skill necessary for the students are that activities related to understanding text connected to it, particularly that its big strengths in text discussion. 3. That speaking activities which should be able to do by 10 students are that basic honest because English is not used as that language instruction in that classroom. for that writing activities which are necessary for that students are also that based on it since the, they are not required to write their assignment in English would English class filled out that viewing activities are provided critical for that its students because they are required to do those activities in completing their assignments. Keenam, what is the cause of that reason? Answer based on the explanation above, it is calculated that English needs of the student during their year. Students make vary depends on their abilities required to complete assignments. The results of this study reveal that its students in student investigate need to do listening and reading concepts to help them understand learning source. 7. What are that students give in that art? Answer, it is suggested for test 1 to regarding that students' needs of English skills to clearly investigate what kinds of activities of a skill are necessary for that student to is that findings of that research can show which activities that should be focused in that learning process.